Once again, good morning, and let me start the session.
Good morning, sir.
This is Power BI demo. And today, tomorrow, demo classes, 2 demo classes, followed by regular classes. My name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. I'll ping you in the chat. Kindly note down. And I'm working consultant. And the current class duration is 50 to 60 hours, and it is a normal track training. Daily class duration 1 hour. Sir, 1 hour is sufficient. Yeah, 1 hour is absolutely sufficient. For me, 1 hour equal to, for you, 2 to 3 hours practice. So 1 hour is sufficient. Monday to Friday compulsory classes. And depending on your interest, we'll take class on the Saturday. In case you say no, no. Yes, we'll follow. And Monday to Friday, regular classes. So that you will get enough time on Saturday to practice it. And what we provide, daily live class videos will provide you. And the access given till 1.5 years. Systematically. And 2 near real-time projects will be given with multiple case studies. A solid theory and practical material also provided. So who all planning to work on the real-time projects? Yes, provided. And who all planning to work on case studies? Yes, more and more case studies we're going to discuss in the classroom. First 1 week, 10 days, we'll work on case studies only. So my way of teaching in class is completely different from others. First 10 days, case studies we do, and then we go to subject. In the 10 days, you will get complete understanding about Power BI. How do we get the data? How do you work in the real time? What about documents we get? How do you maintain versioning process? How do you maintain deployment process? Everything I will explain the first 10 days. Later, we go to subjective learning. In the middle of the course, I will take projects. Prerequisite, none, nothing greatly required. But if you have knowledge in Excel or SQL, added advantage. Qualification, any graduate. Any graduate can learn. And full support to GUI, graphical user interface. With right click, drag and drop, you can do the operations. It is a low code application. Less code we write here. And the training is basics to advanced level. Simple but very detailed manner. And in case you're looking for fast track or customized training, this is the contact number. I'm not the trainer for fast track or customers. Other trainers available, but they will take classes nicely. In case you're looking for 1 month, yes, please go. If you don't have time and you want to finish it up, go for it. But you have enough time and you want to learn in detail and you want to see in and out, yes, join for only normal track. Whatever we cover in the normal track, the same thing cannot be covered in the fast track. And please don't write anything, especially for non-IT people. I will use some technical words as you're entering into technical component. So I should use it. I cannot make it simple, but by listening 2 or 3 times or multiple times, you will remember it. And coming to IT people, do not feel panic. The demo classes are very valuable. Don't consider theory. I'm not going to practical directly. So demo classes are very valuable. I'll give you good understanding in the demo only. The theoretical beauty I will give you in the demo. And today is a theoretical demo. First demo always theoretical. And don't think theoretical means something different. I will explain. Wonderful. The content which you will not find the YouTube and other places, I will explain here. and you cannot get it from anywhere. Such kind of content I'm going to give you, very important, non-repeatable. Second demo is practical. Tomorrow demo is practical. And Friday onwards, Saturday onwards, regular classes. Saturday or Monday, depending on students' interest. Two demo classes followed by regular classes. Listen to today's demo properly. And don't write anything. In case you want to write something and follow the class, you cannot follow. Just listen to it. I'll give you the proper demo document in your WhatsApp as well as email. Kindly provide your email. You will receive in the email as well as WhatsApp level. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, next one. What I'm going to cover in the next 2 months? You may have a question. This is a part I'm covering in the next 2 months. First one, you're entering into an environment. You need to know the environment fundamentals, like warehousing fundamental, modeling fundamental, and you will work in the real-time Agile methodology, Agile Scrum process, and will work on versioning tool, versioning. Compulsory, every project contain one lifecycle methodology, one versioning tool. I will give you heads up on this. And you're entering into this environment, so this environment understanding I will give you. 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies. In real time, you may work with databases. Please listen. You heard about Oracle, SQL Server, Teradata, DB2, MySQL, many databases. You may work with databases. That time SQL knowledge is required because database language is SQL. I'll give you 3 to 4 hours, but this is not sufficient to work in the real time. So I recommend you learn separately SQL wherever you want to learn. Even we also offer, but wherever you want to learn, learn. And there are 9 topics which are important for interview and real time. That list I will give you, prioritize it. So complete SQL for overall understanding. And prioritize for interview and real time. What are the topics? I will tell you on the regular classes, don't worry. Sir, can't you cover SQL completely in the Power BI? Then Power BI subject will reduced. Power BI subject will be reduced. So I dedicatedly take Power BI for 2 months. And MSBI tabular cubes. Depending on the time, either I will provide you the classes or videos. Compulsory required. Cube is a separate database. This is relational and this is multi-dimensional database. Instead of relational, 2-dimensional, which is easy for you. Databases are 2-dimensional. Cube databases are multi-dimensional. That understanding also I will provide you. Sir, is it compulsory? Compulsory. Maximum analytical data in cubes only. Cubes is the best area where we keep analytical information, and maximum analytical data in cubes only. That understanding I will provide you. Next, for your job trials, resume preparation is required, FAQ is required, mock interview is required. I will conduct it. I will conduct these sessions. And coming to Power BI subject, and Power BI very popular in the market because of its cloud operations. And anyway, it will support on-premises operations. What is cloud? What is on-premises? I will explain you, don't worry. And I will cover cloud components, these 2, on-premises components, these 3. Along with that, Power Apps and Power Automate, 4 hours I will conduct. these sessions. So this is all about Power BI content for 2 months. And with this, you can face interview. With this, you can work in real time. So without knowing these components knowledge, it's impossible. If you're already having some knowledge, okay. If you don't have, it's impossible. So is it tough or easy? Easy only. Not at all complex. You are new to IT, you may feel like that. Or if you watch a couple of videos in the YouTube and other areas, then my demo looks little different. But real-time environment is always different. And this is different, sorry. General basic videos are different. Do not compare. But daily you hear about the same technology, you feel very bored after 2 or 3 days. But till that time, have patience. Now, any questions on this? Online, offline people? Anything you want to know?
On the subject, I see the course content, but do you teach DAX as well?
Yeah, DAX is compulsory for 10 days.
Okay.
DAX is for 10 days. Okay. I forgot to show you guys. I'll show you how I am providing the videos, materials and all. Ayo. These batches I'm handling currently. Take any batch. For example, morning 7 o'clock batch. 7 a.m. June started, still going on. All videos in a single folder. This is a lab practice setup. Complete systematic training and proper training. Not like taking the class and giving some rough notes, etc. Daily video you will receive like this. First demo on 26/6, 27 second demo. In the second demo documents, video, everything. These were the videos in the second demo, document and reading document. Any class you take, 30 second. Date, content. So one case study, couple of things, practice one. Every day the same way you will receive documents, videos, etc. This is current ongoing batch, and I will go to other batches. Take 9 a.m. batch. Your batch, the batch which was finished. I started on May 15th. Last week completed. So including holidays and all, 2.5 months it took time. All videos. This is all materials. And here is a place, the SQL topics, interview guidance checklist available. Materials available. And for you also, a batch folder will be created. This is a lab backup setup. And here videos. Let me open the videos. See, resume preparation classes conducted. Project explanation classes conducted for them on August 6th. And Power Automate sessions conducted. Power Apps conducted. Case studies also conducted. Someone asked me, sir, how many DAX classes you have taken? That is a Power BI topic. These are the DAX classes I have taken. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 classes I have taken for those people. These are all the DAX. DAX basics, functions, only functions. Practice. Like this, for every batch, we'll create a folder. Even you are absent to the session, not able to attend, just go to that and practice it. And there will be a WhatsApp group for our technical communication, effective communication. After completing the class, every day we'll add the video and place a message like this. Take 7 p.m. batch. So video plays for so-and-so day. And the content what I covered yesterday night I conducted 8:30 the video uploaded and the message is this. So that you will come to know what happened on the respective day. And usually batch strengths are like this. This is online people, 23 people. And offline in this batch, 15 members are there.
So Vinay, what will be the timing of this new
No,
batch?
I will tell you, sir. I will tell you. This is a 9 o'clock only. The current batch is a 9 a.m. only. No other timing.
Okay.
So hoping you understood. And anything else you're expecting in the subject level? Or you have doubts in the subject level?
So I want to know one more thing, like in the Power Apps, will you consider the APIs related or HTTP
No,
request
just
related?
2 hours, sir. Power Apps 2 hour session, where I will show you Power BI and Power Apps integration. Even Power Automate level, Power BI, Power Automate integration.
Okay.
Within 2 hours, it is not possible. But whatever the content I'm giving, that is valuable content in the Power Apps and Power Automate.
Is it the HTTP and the API related part is available?
That's what I'm telling you. That is a
Okay.
different part related to Power BI I'm giving you.
Okay.
Power BI related to Power BI is something important where companies are looking forward. That part I'm giving you. Whatever you're asking API and all, that is advanced level.
Okay.
Right.
Thanks.
Welcome, sir. Next, what institute provides? As I said, theory, practical material. The training is complete practical oriented training. And from tomorrow, the practicals will begin. And you will be having very good interaction with me. FAQs discuss frequent last questions. FAQs. Daily live class videos, resume preparation, and WhatsApp group also created. And after this training, you are eligible to apply these opportunities. Less than 5 years, these opportunities you can try in the market, you are eligible. I'm not talking about total IT. Relevant to Power BI, 5 years, these are the opportunities available. Relevant to Power BI, not total IT. You can try as a Power BI developer with a DAX language, which is inside Power BI, database language SQL. And Power BI support resource, you can try in the market. Admin resource, you can try in the market. What are these? Project roles, a project content developer, a project content support resource, a project content administrators. You can try any of them. The content is mentioned in such a way. The content covers all this. Admin level, one component not possible, but rest all I'm covering. And people who are already having MSBA, Tableau, Azure, how the combination will be, I will explain in the classes. 100% you can work on it. Not this, I'm not covering this part, but the integration part I will tell you. Next, sir, I want to try with more experience. Possible. Senior roles, more than 5 years. Modeler, designer, specialist, architect. These are the roles available for more experience. Can we try after learning this course? Not possible. Why, sir? Without working on 1 or 2 projects end to end, you will not get modeling knowledge, designing knowledge, architecting knowledge. When you work on 1 or 2 projects end to end, then only you get the knowledge. Technically working is different. Technically taking challenges is different. These are challenging roles. Unless you work on 1 or 2 projects end to end, you cannot work on it. Questions on this, please?
Hello, sir. I am fresher in Power BI.
Okay.
I am eligible in Power BI job, sir.
That we will discuss, sir. Ask related to this only. So I will provide you my contact number. Kindly call me on this. I will address your question
Okay,
properly. We'll discuss
Okay.
personally. If anyone having career-related,
Yes.
market-related, any questions, kindly call me on this number in the given timings. Please note down my number. Even
Okay,
use it
thank
for
you.
future reference.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome. Right. This is completed. Next. So I explained in the last few minutes my personal details, qualification, eligibility, my training level, what are the components I'm covering in the next 2 months, and what do you require in the real-time operations, what we provide. Now we will go to our demo agenda. Two demo classes. And you can ask me one question. Sir, anybody selected in your organization? And how many batches you are taking in a day? I'm taking 5 to 6 batches in a day. You can click on it. These are all my running batches. And there are many people selected. Now some people say IT is down. Yeah, it's true. Recession is going on. Yes. But still people getting their jobs. And I will show you how students getting jobs. A few I will show you. A few. Look at this person. And this is the way I communicate with the students. There are many trainers not responding for the students, but I'm not like that. I will address every student's query. This is just to give you the confidence. And he is having some doubt in the real time working level. Not loading the chart. Taking time to load. And recently he got the job. So finally I got, thank you for your support once again, 27/7. This is the offer letter, I believe. WhatsApp is loading little slow, guys. So he is a person. His offer letter. So old chart, it is not loading, guys.
So Vinay, if let's suppose we
Sir, 1 second, sir.
yeah, please.
Hi, sir, and July month only. Not very old. Only little last month, previous month I'm showing. These are all the people got jobs in the last month. These all. So I got an offer from a company, but they're asking for click sensor. And she got offer on Power BI, but the company asking click sensor. What shall I do, sir? How is it related to Power BI? How many days it will take to learn? And open at the bottom. Even people will say from Raz, hello, sir. Expressing my humble thanks for you for the support and guidance. It's my first work anniversary. Thanks a lot, sir. People available like this also. They will inform their progress. They will get in touch with me. So these are a few guys there, but there are many people. So till last night, I addressed the queries of everyone. So this is from morning actually. Okay, no issues. Yes, sir. Now ask your question.
Yeah, so my question is related to the SQL. Let's suppose if I have a basic knowledge in the SQL, right? So do I need to learn the SQL deeply?
Getting overall understanding is compulsory. That's what I told you in this. Recommend to learn whole course, but prioritize 9 topics.
Okay, and that 9 topics are included in the course
No,
material.
not in the course. Course level something different. The 9 topics will take 20 hours time to learn.
Okay.
Okay, right.
సార్ సార్ నాకు ఒక డౌట్ ఉంది సార్ అడగాల
Yes, please.
సార్ యాక్చువల్లీ నా గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ ఇంకా కంప్లీట్ కాలేదు ఇప్పుడు నాది
No,
ఫైనల్
no, no. So please call me on this number. We'll discuss.
యా ఓకే ఫైన్
Freely we'll discuss, sir.
యా ఓకే ఫైన్
I already provided my contact number, timings to talk to me. Please
యా ఓకే సార్ గాట్
kindly ask question related to the demo only. Regarding
Okay.
personal guidance or anything, call me on my number. Request to
ఓకే
everyone.
యా ఓకే ఫైన్
Sir, complete the 1 hour class session. You will be available in the lab.
Yes, madam. I'll be available. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours training. So 2 to 3 hours practice time.
Okay.
My
okay.
1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours time. Remember that.
Okay.
My 2
okay.
hours
Thank-
equal to for you 4 to 5 hours. Saying is very
Okay.
simple. Sitting for 4 to 5 hours and practicing is a nightmare.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Right, sir? I will continue now. And unless you have a deadly requirement like you need to work in a project from day after tomorrow or next week, or already you got job on Power BI, but you need to work, then only you take fast track training or opt for it. Otherwise, go and learn slowly in detail. If you want to become master, yes, go for it. Right, coming to first demo. Thank you for all your questions. First demo. I'll tell introduction completed. Now I will give you understanding from data to Microsoft Fabric. This hierarchy. Kindly focus. And once again, the course objective I will tell you. If you want to select an interview and you want to work in the real time, any kind of project, my course is suitable. If anyone preparing PL 300 certification exam, 70 to 80% subject coverage is possible. Remaining 20% you need to read from the documentation. So this is the objective of this course. It is a certification in Power BI. Okay. So my current demo content, let me start. So for introduction related stuff completed, now I'm explaining this. So data to Fabric evolution you need to know. This hierarchy you are supposed to have good knowledge. And this Fabric is AI related stuff, artificial intelligence related. So Microsoft also having artificial intelligence components. They added AI power to everywhere. And what are the components? What do you mean by AI power? That I will explain. First of all, data. How many types of data we have in the market? How many storages available to keep the data? How many formats available? That I will explain now. Because Power BI is the only reporting application, BA application in the market, which will work with all types of data. The major reason people using Power BI are running behind Power BI, it is one of the reason. So anything you are able to store is called data in IT. And we have 3 types of data. First one, structured data. The data in the table format, Excel format like this, column by column. So if any data placed like this, that is a structured data. Semi-structured data like this, one, John, like this available. And this is semi-structured, not fully structured, semi-structured. Especially XML file, JSON file, these come under semi-structured. Unstructured, your social media data like this. or your WhatsApp data, your Twitter data. No structure at all. So we call it as unstructured. And we are working knowingly or unknowingly 3 types of data: structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. But this data in 2 formats. One is file format, and second one database format. These are called formats. Coming to storage, this data we are storing nowadays first in on-premises. So what is on-premises? Within our device level, server level, organization level, our PC level will keep it. And second one, we are keeping the same information in the cloud level or a different information. Somebody else storage. Nowadays, almost all laptops connected to OneDrive, Google Drive, they map to, and some other cloud storages. Take your mobile phones, whatever the images, whatever the information you have, firstly in your mobile device. And you will take the backup every day or every week or every month into cloud, Samsung cloud, Apple cloud, Google cloud. So knowingly or unknowingly, we are working on all these types. Am I right or wrong? So in the IT market, 3 types of data available, 2 formats of data available, 2 types of storage available. Questions, please. Now, this data required in IT applications. Coming to IT applications, many types available, but important IT applications. One runs the business, one analyzes the business. 90% people, 95% people in the market, either they work here or here. Business running or analysis. But you guys taking initiative to learn this business analysis, not for running. You will never participate in the business running. Business analysis level you participate. Then what you do? And who will use your applications? Now I will tell you, concentrate. Take business running applications, IRCTC ticket booking, Book My Show ticket booking, online money transfer. These all come under business running applications. At the end of the operation, you will get a message, transaction successful. If train ticket is booked, transaction successful. Train ticket not booked, transaction failed. Your payment sent, successful, transaction successful. Payment not sent, transaction failed. So we call them as transactional applications. But how people use it and who will use it? General public use it, we all people. And we perform those operations via web, going to browser, type the URL and do it. A desktop application, we'll go to counters, they will have machines and we do their third one, mobile level apps. But how do we do that? By using forms. We'll enter the details in the forms and the details will be stored in the storage area. So the transactional applications used by general public, they use forms, perform operations in these platforms. These are called platforms. And the data is transactional data. Transaction success or failure data available, no other data. This data, you people, analytical people, take it and create analytical storage, a separate storage, and generate report or dashboard. And the reports and dashboard presented via web, desktop, mobile. For whom? Mostly management team. Example, IRCTC analytical information content, trains having highest number of bookings, trains not having any booking, and the south region versus north region ticket sale, Tatkal versus normal ticket sale, etc. This is called analytical information. And you guys take normal transactional data like PNR number, amount, train number, passengers. This is normal transactional data. You will take this and convert like this. And this is called decision-making data. Analytical data. And this is intelligent information of the business. So some people say BI data, business intelligence data. So from normal data to decision making, analytical, BA data you create like this. How come, sir? By using a process called BA process. By using a process, BA process. Then how do we present? By using BA output components like reports and dashboards. So you closely work in the real time with management team for the decision-making support. And this is your environment. You will take transactional data or any data, implement a BA process, generate report or dashboard, where the presentation will be via web, desktop or mobile. Got clarity? Now, questions please. Mostly structured. And there could be unstructured, semi-structured, but couple of BA applications able to handle. Now, BA, business intelligence. Intelligent information of the business. We'll call a person as intelligent when he is able to take appropriate decisions. So the applications which are providing proper decision making, those are called BA applications. And BA application level input is data. Any data, any format, anywhere. Output is report or dashboard. So you guys in the real time work on data which is of any type, any format, any way. And finally you produce report or dashboard. How come you produce? By implementing BA process. Then what are the tools? There are many tools available. Features are different. Some BA tools more features, some BA tool less features. But you're learning a component. You're about to start a component where it has wonderful BA features. And report. How report and dashboard different? And you will not write any code. You will not create any program. You will not create any website. You will not generate any mobile form. You create report and dashboard only in the real time. Individual operation you want to show. And detailed data you want to show, then go to report. One particular operation data, in detail you want to show, a report. Or set of operations you want to show related to a subject area. High level data you want to show, then go to dashboard. So report looks like this, very detailed data. Dashboard looks like this, high level data, high level key values. Simply individual and set of operations. Understood? Now, sir, how come this data converted to a report or dashboard? There is a process, a BA process, concentrate. This is little bit confusing if you're new to IT, but after attending 2-3 classes of mine, you feel very comfortable. But this is a process we use in all the companies. No change in the process. I'm not talking about Power BI. I did not use the word Power BI till this time. Just generic basics. Now BA applications. BA process given in 90s. This is called legacy BA. And in this BA, multiple layers required, multiple tools required, multiple resources required. People, multiple people. Sir, what are the layers, tools, resources? General public, They operate by using this, the transactional data available here. Management team here on the right hand side. Reports and dashboards given. That is as output from this to this. But how come you convert? Scientists suggested your transactional data may be in the file, maybe in the database. First, implement ETL process. Extraction. So bring the data, do required operations, finally load to a huge storage area, second area. Yeah, daily if you bring the data and maintain into one storage area, 100% it looks heavy. And heavy areas, we call it as warehouses. If you keep rice packets, rice warehouse. Wheat packets, wheat warehouse. Since we are keeping data, it is a data warehouse. So scientists suggested the first area ETL, second area warehouse. Third area, we don't use complete data here because terabytes to petabytes of data available. We don't use complete data for analysis. Required data, we will take it and create aggregate analytical components. Mostly cubes will create with the required data. This data given to the reporting components to generate reports and dashboards. So these are 4 layers, and these are the tools used in these layers. And people also work separately. These people responsible for this, these people responsible for this, these people responsible for this. So this is a legacy process. So if any company wants to generate report or dashboard from the normal data, compulsory they need to recruit multiple people, purchase multiple tools, multiple setups required. Still, till this day, even top MNCs following the same process. Multiple tools, multiple resources, multiple environments. Yeah, top companies. Yeah, permanent only. Permanent. So Microsoft decided, okay, the organization having enough money, they're able to spend. What about normal organizations? Point number 1. Small, medium companies, especially. Second one, I want all this in an easy way. Then Microsoft introduced a solution first time in the market, that is MSBA. If you go to interview, first question, why Power BI when MSBA was available with Microsoft? That's the first BI. There should be one reason, right? In case Apple want to introduce new features, they will give you new version, but not a new component, right? If Samsung want to give a change in the existing mobile, they'll give you a new version, but not a separate mobile, right? But why Microsoft given Power BI also when MSB available? This is a basic question you are supposed to answer when people ask in interview. How do we need to answer? What are the drawbacks in MSBI and what made Power BI to announce? That I am going to cover. Now Microsoft Fabric. Why Microsoft announce Fabric? So this evaluation is very important. After 3 months, 4 months, you will find Fabric developers Power BI, Fabric developers ADF, Azure Data Factory. This kind of positions you will find it. You should not feel panic. So listen to it properly and stop me if you're not able to understand. Right, MSBI, first BI from the Microsoft with multiple tools. So MSBI is a suite, 2005 with multiple tools. Tool 1, SQL Server Integration Services. Tool 2, SQL Server Analysis Services. Tool 3, SQL Server Reporting Services. These major tools, there are many available, but major tools are this. So the first tool work in this area, tool 1. Second tool work in this area, tool 2. Third tool work in this area, tool 3. And that's the reason MSBI is called Self-Service BI Tools Area, SSBI, Self-Service BI Tools Area. everything possible in a single suit by using tools. No need to go to a different vendor. This is also Microsoft. All can be all available with a single software MSBI. Really beautiful. But still Microsoft announced Power BI. Why? And one more point I want to tell you. MSBI first version 2005. Notice this. And 3 years gap 2008. 3 years gap R2 or 2 years gap. Every 2 to 3 years there is a version change available. Every 2 to 3 years there is a version change. And Microsoft is a leader from 2008. This is the most important point you need to remember. From 2008, Microsoft is the leader in analytics and BI. So you are learning a wonderful component, which is leader in the market. Let me open that. See, Microsoft named a leader in 2022 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Analytics and BI platforms. Today, we are announcing that for 15th consecutive year, Microsoft has been positioned as a leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for Analytics and BI platforms. 15th consecutive year. Not 1 2 years. He is a leader. And if you see this picture, leader, Microsoft, Tableau, and other components, these are just challenges. Because of MSBA, Microsoft is a leader in the market. Not 1 2 year, 15 years. If leader does not have market, what about others? So if someone says Power BI not having market, Power BI not having calls, please don't bother about it. IT market little down. There are little plus and minus for calls, but he is a leader. Number one BI application provider in the market, Microsoft. It started with MSBA. MSBA. And now Power BI continuing it. I'll show you 2021 market. 1 second, sir. I will address your question. Power BI jobs demand grows as it dominates market share. In 21, the market share was 36%. This is not my website. You can click on it and see. And I will show you the market share in 21. Power BI 36%, 21. And 22, 42%. That means 100 projects are available in the market, BA projects. 42 people using Power BI. Genuine statistics. I will give you this link in your document level. Kindly open the link and see whatever mentioned here. Don't ask any of your friends. Genuine statistics are different. Your friends' review are different. Confidently learn, it will give you a confident life. Proper life. Yes, sir. Now ask your question.
So you are saying like MSBI, because of the MSBI, Microsoft is a leader in this business, right?
Yes,
So
Lalit.
it is because of multiple tools are embedded with this, or
Yeah,
what is the
multiple.
reason?
Yeah, multiple tools and the support, the support of support features and multiple operations by that time. That's why it was leader. Not 1 2 tools, their features, the cost, and many more made Microsoft leader from 2008. Not
Okay,
1 2. There are around 10 factors.
okay. So comparatively, if I am talking about
But now
MSBA.
in this market, the market requirement is changed. MSB is not the leader.
Okay,
Okay. So let me finish next 5-10 minutes discussion and then ask your question.
sure.
Right. But one quick question you all guys can ask me, sir, why when Power BI, when MSB available and it brought the leadership, then why Power BI? MSBI announced in 2005. Look at this diagram. And you guys can ask me a question. How long the session will continue? Right now, it's 10 till 10:10 I will continue. 10:10 or 10:15 max. Because of demo. Regular classes 9 to 10 sharp. Give me 10 more minutes. I will close it properly. Now, MSBI announced in 2005 as a self-service BI suite. And before 2004, whatever the market available, Microsoft considered complete market changes and challenges and brought a new product, MSBI. Before 2004, market-based architecture concepts here. And only on-premises solution. You cannot go to cloud. That time cloud not available before 2004. And multiple components, okay. Mobile and tab-friendly support not available. Mobile suitable reports, tab suitable reports not available. Because mobile apps, tab apps not available before 2004. Even mobiles also introduced to the market in that period only. Nokia, very small phones and many more. Next, limited sources support available. And limited sources means limited data it will connect. No better embedding. That means MSBA reports you want to show in the company website level or nowadays in the Facebook level, not possible. Compulsory average coding we need to write. That time coding very popular. 10 years ago, 15 years ago, whatever you want to do, only coding. So average coding required. And the visuals and other operations very less in the market. In every 2 to 3 years, there is a new version. New version. So people or corporate organization ask Microsoft. From 2006, cloud available in the market. From 2008, mobile apps in the market. Mobile apps. And nowadays, everyone using social media. They want to show everything in the social media level. MSB not having this support. So Microsoft thought a lot. And finally, they concluded, we need a new product which can compensate these operations. That new product is Power BI. But it's not completely new. Adding power to the existing BI, existing MSBI, more power is added. And that is Power BI. For the existing MSBI, I'm not telling MSBI extension, but MSBI, a couple of features they have taken and added some more power to that. That is Power BI, powering existing BI. Power BI definition, powering BI. Adding more power to existing BI. Sir, what type of power? Cloud is added. MSBI level, suite available, 3 tools required. Power BI level, no tools. It is single application. One tool, 3 concepts or 4 concepts. The tool now available as a concept, tool feature. Cloud available. Mobile and tab friendly support also available. Many types of data it will support. And Power BI report easily you can place in Facebook level, Twitter level, many areas. Easily. And I'm going to show you practically. Low code. No need to write much code. They reduce the coding also. MSB level average coding required. And visuals and operations. Yes, many visuals available. More than 300 plus visuals nowadays. And you can, more than 300 plus. And the most beautiful point, monthly update, not like MSBA 2 to 3 years one version, monthly. For example, there is a startup company, they announced a new product. Immediately in the next month update, you will see in the Power BI level, we joined with so-and-so organization. So they want to overcome the issues of 2 to 3 years release. They're having monthly update. In the current market, the only BA tool which is having monthly update is Power BI. No versions. Hundreds of scientists working on Power BI, continuously Power BI product development, not reports. They keep on adding features. Okay. So that's why some people conclude like this. Power BI is a low code. Cloud and on-premises supportive, both supportive. Self-service application, which will generate reports and dashboards from data. First one, low code. Second one, self-service BI. Third one, cloud and on-premises. Next one, which will generate reports and dashboards from data. Any questions? So you can answer in interview the first definition or second definition. I recommend you go for second definition, explain, so that everything will be covered in the interview. Low code, cloud and on-premise supportive, self-service, and Power BI announced in 2013 July, and we have monthly update. From 2013 July to till current month, we have monthly update. I'm not telling drawbacks. So these features available in MSBA, but current market, they're not suitable. So Power BI level, current market features available. MSBA, 100% they're using. There are many opportunities with MSBA. There are many opportunities on MSBA. I will tell you in the regular class what. Based on the project only. Yeah. You cannot conclude like that. MSBA level, there are some distinct features available which we can't do in the Power BI level. I will tell you. Hoping you understood Power BI definition, Power BI. Now let me explain in this picture. MSBA is a suite with multiple tools. Tool 1, Tool 2, Tool 3. And Power BI level, a self-service BI application, single application. Concept 1 to work on here. Concept 2 work on here. Concept 3 to work on here. And the concept 1 is Power Query. Concept 2 is Power Pivot. Concept 3 is Power View, Power Map. These are the concepts given instead of the tools to perform the operations. That does not mean Power Query is a replacement of SSIS. Power Query level, extraction transformation we can do. No loading. If you want loading, again SSIS we need to use. You want to quickly get the data and do some transformations. You want to establish relationships. You want to generate report. Then Power BI self-service application required. But you want loading. Oracle to SQL server you want to load. This can do, but not this one. That is not a Power BI operation. And you want to maintain cube storage. Power BI level not possible, but cube modeling we can do here. Okay, if you confuse, ignore it. Later I will explain you. So Power BI having multiple concepts to perform end-to-end process. So we call it as a self-service BI application. MSBA self-service BI suite, Power BI self-service BI application. Got clarity? Okay. Next one. So July 2013. Power BI got great applause in the market. Many companies started using Power BI. They felt very happy with the low code and process. So Microsoft decided, why don't we announce some more low code components? Some more low code. And that is Power Platform in 2019. And from 2019, Power BI under Power Platform. The first low code component in the Power Platform is Power BI, which will generate reports and dashboards. Second low code component, Power Apps, which will low code only, no code, less code. With mobile and tab apps will generate. Whatever the apps we are using, the mobile level, tab level, those easily you can generate with these Power Apps. And you want to do automate process. Very easily you can do it. That is Power Automate. The robotic process automation you can do very easily using Power Automate. And when we open a website, when you open a mobile app, in the right-hand side corner, you will find how may I assist you. Those are chatbots. The chatbots you want to create easily, go to virtual agent. It's a low code. Templates available, simply use it. And you want to create a website for your business operations, very easily possible by using Power Pages. So these are the 5 low code components with 5 purposes. No need to write much code. Microsoft thought companies will use Power BI and Power Apps. Power BI, Power Automate, like this combination they given in 19. But no companies using like this combinations. People using Power Apps separately, Power Automate separately. So they are in dilemma. And point 1. Point 2, nowadays, wherever you go, AI. Am I right? For the last 1 year, AI became very hot. So Microsoft decided, why don't we give AI-based components and market-suitable components? That is Fabric. Fabric is an AI-based solution, artificial intelligence-based solution, AI-based purely, where it is having 4 components: Power BI, Azure Data Factory, Azure Data Activator, or Data Activator Synapse. These 4 components combination is Microsoft Fabric. These are current market organization using components. Earlier, Azure Data Factory operations different, Fabric different. Sorry, Power BI different, but some companies combination using. So this is a different tool and component, different license. Different tool and component, different license. Different tool and component, different license. But right now, Microsoft made all in single license, Fabric license. With Fabric, you can work on all this. So these all come under Fabric. So the next wonderful feature is Fabric. Don't think Fabric means a separate software. These components and knowledge if you have, then you're a Fabric developer. Current market suitable developer. And this is from 2023 June announcement. Last month only announced. Okay. So now Power BI under Fabric. Sir, how could we believe that Power BI under Fabric? One second. Hardly 2 minutes to close the session. This is Power BI service. I'm clicking help and support. Click on it. I click Power BI support, but Microsoft saying Microsoft Fabric support, common license support. Microsoft Fabric status dashboard, Power BI running in all the areas properly. Data Factory running all the areas properly. This is a Fabric dashboard. So now Power BI, Data Factory, these all come under Fabric. So this is the evolution you are supposed to have knowledge. So data used in IT applications. BA application is one kind of application, IT application. BA applications in the market, legacy, middle age, and modern. Power BI comes under modern BA. Till 2019, it is alone, but 19 onwards under Power Platform. Now it is under Fabric. So Power BI is a Fabric component. Till last month, it was under Power Platform. Okay, right. So this is what I planned. Then how Power BI convert this normal data to reporting data by using these concepts. So Power BI takes input, provides output by using this how. The practical part tomorrow I will explain you. So tomorrow this is a operation I will explain you. I will take my family data. I will generate a report like this by using a component. And how do we implement the process? This I will explain you tomorrow. And after this class, you need to practice it. And you have to see the flexibility of Power BI application. Then only continue. Okay? Right. So once again, before closing and open for your doubts, my name is Vinay and this is my contact number. The course duration 50 to 60 hours, daily 1 hour. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. Monday to Friday compulsory classes. Saturday based on your interest. Daily live class videos are shared. 2 real-time projects and multiple case studies are covered. Theory practical material provided. Any graduate eligible for this? Fully graphical component, code is less. And my course is suitable for interview and work in the real time. If you want to prepare for certification, a 70 to 80% covered. Remaining 20 bookish knowledge is required. And request to non-IT people, I am using technical words, so please bear, and without that not possible to continue the sessions. But after listening 2 or 3 times, you will understand everything clearly. IT people, today I explained only theoretical part, and tomorrow I'll explain practical part. Practice it and continue. But IT and non-IT people both, you need to read today's material to get good understanding. Don't take it light. This is the evolution you are supposed to know first before starting Power BI.